Hello and welcome back. In the previous video, we have seen how you can create a web page using Microsoft Web Expression. So we have seen creating a web page, a simple web page without using layouts, okay, which looks not organized. Okay, so in this video, in this tutorial, you will learn about the different methods of creating a web page layout. Creating website layout is the activity of positioning the various elements that make a web page in a well-structured manner and give appealing look to the website. Okay, you have seen most websites on the internet usually display their contents in multiple rows and columns, formatting like a magazine or a newspaper to provide the users a better reading and writing environment. So what we can do now, let's create a web page using the tables. Okay, there are different ways you can make layouts. You can make by using div tag, div tag, or you can do it by using tables. Okay, let's start with tables. Let me close this and let's create a new HTML file like this. Then you decide how many rows and columns you need in your website. You can add any number of rows and columns by simply going to tables and insert table. Let us suppose I want to have a web page like this. Okay, so in this one I have the top row 1, 2, 3, 4. Let us suppose I need 4 rows. Okay, so I will go for 4 rows and 1 column like this. Okay, and I want to make the width of the table will be in pixels, not in percent. I want to take it as 900 pixels. Okay, let me check. So this is the table. So in this top row I want to put some heading. In the second row I would like to keep an image, and in the third row I want to put some story about the image, and in the last row we can have some other kind of text. Let us suppose we write here computer sales and services, computer sales and services. This is the heading. I would like to make this one as heading 1 style. From here you can choose heading 1, and in this one you can insert an image. Let's go to insert picture from file. Let's go to your folder, the folder which you are using right now, in the down documents and in my websites and in website 9. Okay, this is like website 9. So you can choose any of the image. Let us suppose my image will be widescreen. I would like to take this image here. So if the image is not available, the alternate text will be displayed. Okay, my picture 1. You can keep any alternate name to this. Let us suppose this is my image. Fine. And here I would like to go for some story. I would like to write some text here. So what I can do is I can use some text files. So it's always the best option to have some text files with you. Before you construct a web page, you need to have content with you. Okay, so content is very important. You have to collect all the information, all the text, whatever required for your website. Then make some text files, put all the data or type it in the text files. From the text files you can insert in this particular area. Okay, to open the text file, let us suppose okay, let's go to text file. Here I have a text file. Let me copy this, Control A, copy, and go to your web page and paste it here. You can provide the text like this. Okay, and in this one we are going to have let's have a look at our web page. Then we have services. Also we offers, you can have something else, like you can have some text over here. Let's say services. Okay, and this one also I'd like to make it as heading 1. This is heading 1. Now I would like to add one more table here. Okay, go to insert table, sorry, and insert table. We will take 3 columns. Okay, let's take 3 columns, 1 row and 3 columns like this, and 2 rows will take, okay, 2 rows and 3 columns. Each one will have one heading and specified text over here. Let us suppose some sort of text you have in each row, okay, like this, and here in the second row you'll have some sort of text, and the third row you'll have some sort of text. And you will be having, let us suppose you are offering chip level servicing, chip level service, and you have annual maintenance, AMCs, and you have what you call printers repair, let us suppose. Okay, these 3 sort of text I would like to make it as heading, let's say heading 2. Okay, so like this, or heading 3, a little bit smaller. Okay, and we will take one more table consisting of 1 row, 2 rows, 3 rows, and 4 columns like this. Okay, and I would like to have 900 pixels, not in percent term, 900 pixels. Okay, like this. And in this one I would like to have few more headings, like I have I want to merge this. I want to make it as a single row. All right, and okay, here we'll write products and we'll make it as paragraph heading 1, and this one will be writing about some name of the products, like laptops, electronics. Also, let us suppose offering CCTV, or you can have some kind of printers, anything, just any sort of heading over here, like A, B, C, D, whatever it is. Okay, let's make this as heading 3 again, and you can insert some images over here. Okay, in each of this particular box you can insert from here. You need to have images. Make sure that you insert your own photographs, the one which you have taken from your camera, or you have to keep in mind of privacy. Accordingly you can take. Okay, so let's take one image from here. Let us suppose, okay, this is the image, image 2. Just you have to provide some alternate text for each image, and let me increase some size over here. Then I want to copy this image to other places as well, like this. Okay, and if you want, you can provide some spacings, or you can provide some like picture properties. From here you can give thickness, border thickness, let us suppose 6 pixels, 2 horizontal margin and 2 vertical margin, let us suppose pixels. Okay, like this. Now I want to copy this and I want to paste. Look at this, a little bit style bordering you will get. Okay, and at the end of this you can insert 3 more rows and table, insert 3 rows. I think no need of columns. Okay, 4 columns, let us suppose. You can insert social media links. Okay, Control Z. Sorry, let me take to the table properties, and I want to make it as 900 pixels, not 100%. 900 pixels. Okay, so it will be like this. So you can insert the table, 3 rows and 4 columns, 900 pixels. Okay, and you can provide here, just you can merge it, select the table, cells like this, or you can write some story for this particular tables again, for images. Okay, like this, like this. So you can paste some text over here regarding this image, this sort of text. Okay, so in the similar way you can insert few more rows to this table. Okay, 3 rows and 4 columns, and make it 900 pixels. Then say okay, not exactly here, below this, here you can add. Okay, go to table, insert 3 rows and 4 columns. Fine. Then 900 pixels in pixels. That's it. So in this one, let me merge the following cells. You can select this, right click on this, go to modify, merge cells. Similarly, bottom also we can merge it, and right click on this, modify, merge. So you can write some text, you follow us on. Then in each you can write like YouTube. You can put the logo here in the YouTube, and here Twitter, and you can keep here Facebook, and Twitter, install it somewhere, Instagram, like this. So can make this as heading 3 or heading 4, we can make it, and at bottom we can make it copyright. Okay, copyright, just you can mention 2020, whatever it may be, just you write about your 2021, and this also for heading 4. Okay, so this is all about your web page. Now what we can do to improvise this, we can use what do you call, style sheet. By using the style sheet, we will make over this particular web page. Okay, let us suppose this is, you can save it as sales web page or sales and services. Okay, no problem. We'll save it like this. And we will create one style sheet. Go to File, New, and CSS. From here you can create CSS file. So when you see .css, meaning it's a cascading style sheet. We are going to apply the styles in this one, so then we'll attach the style sheet to this particular web page. Okay, let me save this style sheet with name called style. Okay, style like this, and click save. So already there is one style sheet exists, it seems. Will not give this name. We are in site 9. Let us suppose style1.css. Okay, this is style1.css. Okay, let's start creating the styles. Let us suppose I want to give the background color to the web page. Okay, so you can give background color to overall web page, as well as you can give background color to the text as well. Okay, table background color and overall web page background color. First of all, we'll try to make the table in the center. Okay, center align. So we'll take table, open the brackets like this. Automatically you will get the code. I want to make the table center align. So for that I have to use margin left. I want to make it auto. I want to make margin right. I want to make it auto. So with this, table will become center aligned. Let me go and check. Let us attach the style sheet. Let me save the style sheet. Let's go to attach it, format, CSS style, attach style sheet, browse it. Here is my style, style 1, and click OK. Look, my table is now center aligned, isn't it? Now let's give background color to the web page. Okay, background color will be like, let us suppose we'll take background, body background color. Okay, the separator is body. Open. Now background color, pick some light color like this. Okay, let us check now, save it, go here. Look, my background color is like this. Now all the headings I want to give it as center align. Heading 1, I want to apply some styles. Heading 1, font family, I want to give this one Arial or Helvetica. If not available, sans serif. Then font color, I want to make it red for the headings. Okay, hashtag use FF hexadecimal coding 0000, 6 digits. Let's go and check now. Look, my headings are, all heading 1s are in red color. I want to make it center align, text align, text align, center. So the headings will be now center aligned like this. In the same way, I would like to give for heading 2 and heading 3. Let us suppose, let's go to heading 2. The font style is okay, whatever it may be. Let's change the color. Color, hashtag, let's take blue color. Okay, 00 red, RGB, 00 in blue, we will write FF. Let's check now. Heading 2 we have not taken. We'll make this one as heading 3. All right, we'll make this one as heading 3. Let's go and check now. Yes, now look, all these are in blue color. And we'll make it center align. Text align. We'll make it as center. Let's go and check now. Look, all in center align. Okay. Now we'll do heading 3 as well. Heading 4. Sorry, heading. I'll copy this. I want to make this one as 4. I want to make the color to be green, let us suppose. Okay, green 00, and the middle part should be 00 FF00, green color. I want to make this center align and italic I. Text style, text decoration, text indent, position, let's make, oh, you can go here for format, new style. You can do it from here. For heading 4, H4, okay. Font, no need. Font style, italic. Font style, that is okay. Directly we can write it instead of going from here. Font style, font style, italic. That's it. And we'll make it bold as well. No need. Let's go and check. Green, and this is like this. Okay. So in this way you can provide texting. Let's do some coloring to the table inside. Okay, that will be as TD, table data, TD. Background color, we'll give some dark color. Okay, let's take this one. This is table background color. Look, now I want to change the text to be white color. Okay, so color FF hashtag FF. This is text color. Look, my text color is now light color. So you can change the colors of even heading 2 and heading 3, maybe you may not. So you choose the color which is the best color, accordingly you can provide. We can make text align center for TD, text align center align. Okay, now look, all are in center align, all the text is in center align. So in this way you can provide you can provide stylings in the style sheet. You can give the border as well. Let's check the preview. Let's go to file, save it, and preview in the browser. So it's in the center and your text is like this. Look at your page, looks like this. I hope you're getting the concept. All right, so in this way you have to create layouts by using tables and apply styles by using style sheet. I have changed the colors now. Heading color, heading 1 and heading 2, heading 3, as well as only heading 3 and heading 2 color. I have taken a little bit light color because always you have to take contrast colors. Background should be dark than if it is, and heading color should be lighter one. Okay, so if you can browse it now in the browser, it looks like this. Look at this now. So you can add any number of columns, you can add featured stories. So you can expand this table as much as possible. It's up to you how much content you have, how much data you have. So based on that, you can change the layout and you can add images and featured stories. So in the bottom, if at all you want to provide a copyright sign, C. So for that, what you can do is you go to the code and check where is copyright. Here is the copyright. You need to write a code here, small code you can mention there, ampersand and symbol and copy. Okay, that's it. So now you can see copyright sign in design view. Look at this, you got C copyright. Let me save this page and preview it. So in this way you can preview the image. Now you got a copyright sign. Okay, so what you should do, just go to design in the code, write down and symbol followed by copy, then semicolon right after copyright. So that's it. So in this way you can design layouts by using tables. Okay, thank you for watching this video. We'll see the other concepts in the next video. Thank you.